We're going to do a brief video of Forex trading with algos. And if we take a brief look at this chart here, we're going to show you some algo trading entry points. We're looking at the US dollar versus Japanese yen. We've got it on an hourly setting. So this is an hourly chart of the dollar versus the yen. We got some moving averages on here. But what we're mainly looking at is the range today. And we can look at this swing. We have a swing range here of 145.17 and a low of 144.15. Let's go down here and take a look real quick at our algo generated yen prices, and we just plug it right in here, pull it up, and we see that we put out for the major forex pairs every day buy and or short prices for the major currencies. So here we have them today. They're out today, the 3rd, and they come 1, 2, 5, 10, and 20-day holding periods. Basically, the way this works is get in today, get out tomorrow at the end of the trading session at a loss, or take your profit as soon as you can get it. And the same thing for the 2, the 5, the 10, and the 20. If you were to do the 20, assuming your own analysis says it's a good idea, get in, take a position, indicate it or close to it based on your own analysis, get out worst case after 20 days at a loss, or take your profits as soon as you get it. So let's take a look at the yen. This says the short at 144.43. Let's see if that would have been profitable. 144.43 is about here, and would have been a profitable trade. 144.15. So you could have got in and got out in the next hour, and that would have been a profitable trade. Let's review another one. Let's take the euro versus the dollar hourly trade. Let's take a look. Let's go back down here and find them again. And we're looking at the euro versus the dollar. Says to buy. Let's just take a 1-day 97.711. Buy 97.711. $97.711. So that would have been this bar here. And surely that would have been a low. You could have bought here too, 97. You could have bought all through here, right? 97.711. Yep, you could have bought through here too, and you made a tremendous amount of trade on here. And that's the euro. Let's go down and take a look at the British pound. Again, these come out before 7 a.m. Monday through Friday. We're looking at the 1-day hold. Let's take a look at the British pound down here. Says the short at 1.1087. Looking at hourly chart, would have been roughly here. 1.1087. Nope, couldn't have got in there. 1.10, or could we? No. 1.10. No, doesn't look like we could have got in. This would have been last night. 1087. Doesn't look like we could have got in. So we couldn't have got in at all on that one. Let's go down here and take a look at another one. Let's take a look at the Aussie versus the dollar, 63.72, and it looks like to buy. $63.72, buying at 63.72. 63.72 did not go that low. So it did not go that low. So we could get in quite a few of these. And let's go down here and take a quick look and see exactly how many we've got available. We've got the euro, the yen, the Aussie, the pound, Canadian, and the Swiss franc, and the New Zealand dollar, all against the US dollar. They're longs or shorts every day. They come out Monday through Friday by 7 a.m. in the morning. We usually put them out before 6 p.m. the evening before, but we say just for consistency purposes that they're out before 7 a.m. the morning of, and you can get them all absolutely free, no credit card required, at rbamresearch.com. In addition to the major forex pairs, we cover BTC crypto, we cover the most liquid stocks, and we cover 190 stocks and the most liquid futures contracts. Our Bitcoins entry prices are fantastic. Our S&P 500 are fantastic and very active. Both those are very active. You just saw some currency pairs. The stocks are usually great, and the crude oil, treasury bonds, and golds are good, but they usually only get, their prices usually only get hit 2 or 3 times a week. But S&P 500 is fantastic, so is crypto, and most of the currency pairs are usually active. Keep in mind, you can get them all for absolutely no cost and no credit card required at rbamresearch.com. There's a link in the description below, and you can get them all updated before 7 a.m., but check in earlier in the evening prior to the daily session, because we usually post the currencies just after 6 p.m. the night before. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you want to subscribe, please do that as well. If you like these types of algo entry prices, please leave us a comment and let us know what your thoughts are on them. Keep in mind that everything you've seen and heard on here, our analysis and our entry prices, are for entertainment purposes only. You can only use them for entertainment. You have to do your own analysis and can't use our information for anything other than entertainment, and you definitely trade at your own risks. We make no recommendations of buying and selling whatsoever.